Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Pontiac 6000 wagon, and we are going to be installing some wipe-on clear coat from Vice Grip Garage. Can't talk. So we're gonna, put that on the whole car. It's gonna seal everything and make it shiny, even over the rust. Because I do like how this car looks currently. I just would like it to be shiny. So step number one is gonna be wash it.
That's pretty neat.
With some Dawn dish soap, let it dry, then we'll wipe it down with some wax and grease remover.
There, look, I'm putting the lotion on the skin. I'm rubbing it in.
And then we'll mix the clear coat and we'll wipe it on. So let's get the car outside, we'll get the pressure washer hooked up, and we'll get it washed with some Dawn dish soap. Now I do have a brand new wash mitt too that has never been used, so we won't be adding like any wax or anything like that from car washes I've used in the past. I guess that's an important thing to think of. We're also going to be using some of this wheel cleaner from Super Clean to clean those white wheels. Let's go out here, got the car all set up, got the pressure washer set up, put you guys in a time lapse. Let's get this thing washed. All right, so it's all clean. Looks great. We're gonna let it dry here overnight. You can see how good of a job that Super Clean wheel cleaner did.
That's sick, man.
We're gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll go over it with wax and grease remover. Then we'll mix up the clear coat and start rubbing it on.
It puts the lotion on.
So I'll be back with you tomorrow. All right, it's a little bit later. We're back out here. It's had plenty of time to dry. It's nice and hot in here. So I have this panel prep stuff that's supposed to take wax and all that off for coating. If you're doing like ceramic coating or waxing or whatever. So we're gonna use this. I'm gonna go over each panel with it, and then we're gonna mix up some of the clear coat and see what it looks like. So let's wipe down some panels. I'm also gonna get a little stool because I hurt my back messing around with the engine for the Pace Car Fiero, so I'm moving kind of slow. That's great. Oh yeah, that's great. Okay, let's do more. It's more of a spray pattern, less of a splash pattern like that. To be honest with you, there's probably not much wax on this car. All right, so I didn't use the stool. I just struggled through. Not that it took long. Whole car is wiped down. I'll probably go over it just one more time with a clean rag. Make sure I got all the residue off, and then we'll mix some of the clear coat, and I think we're gonna do one panel at a time. And we're just gonna go over it, one at a time, back and forth, kind of overlapping, like kind of like you would if you were spray painting. That's how I'm going to try it. Obviously we're wiping it on. We'll see how it goes. So let's wipe this down one more time. I'll get back with you after I have the stuff mixed, ready to go, ready to put it on. All right, well, in typical fashion, I'm not prepared at all for this. I've got it mixed in this container. I'm ready to go. We'll see how bad I can mess this up. Probably should be wearing gloves. I'm gonna go get some gloves and then start putting this on. I dropped it. Well, done. I felt like I got the hang of it as I was at the end of it, which was this side here. You can see the side looks pretty shiny. I don't know how it picks up on camera. I broke my rule because I went really thin on the roof and I started there. And I said I wasn't going to go over it again. Well, I went over it again while it was still wet. So if that looks horrible, that's why. But we're gonna let it dry and see how it looks. Back end looks good. I went over the bumpers too. I don't know if that was the best idea. It's all right. You can see the roof is kind of drying. There are some streaks in it and some parts where it's kind of high. But gotta let it dry. See what it looks like. It definitely looks shinier than it did. But in the right light, you can see some streaks. But again, I just installed it, so maybe as it dries, those streaks will leave. It's the whole being patient thing, and I'm not that great at that. So we'll let this sit overnight, and we'll see what it looks like. Camera overheated, I don't know where I was at. But looks good. There's some streaks, but it's still drying. We're gonna let it sit overnight. We'll see how it looks in the morning. Yeah, I mean, could have looked much worse than what it did because the paint had no shine to it. We'll see in the morning. So I'll see you then. All right, so next morning, it's like 9:30 in the morning right now. So it's been a little over 12 hours to cure. Looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. The only downside is I did go a little light on the roof, so you can see some streaking in the roof. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but at the right angle, you can see some wipe marks on the roof and a little bit on the hood. But I think it's just because I went too light. The sides look great. Currently it is cloudy outside. It's supposed to get sunny a little bit later today. So we will get it outside, take some glamour shots of it. But overall, I'm really happy. I don't know if you can see the wipe marks. Doesn't look bad though. I'm really happy with it. It turned out great. This is exactly what I was looking for. Shiny, but not too shiny. Just makes it look a little bit better. So yeah, we'll get it outside when it gets sunny and the clouds break here this afternoon. And we'll see how it looks in the sun. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Short, sweet, to the point. Worked out great. If you want to do something like this, I'd recommend this stuff. Just take your time Make sure you're putting it on a little heavier than you think you need to on the top flat spots. Because that was what I figured out by the time I got down to the sides, is you could go pretty heavy with it and it wouldn't run too bad. Plus you're wiping it on. So sides look really good. If I did it again, I could do it better. But that's how it is every time you do something for the first time. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, make sure you're subscribed because we have plenty of more things to work on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. All right, guys, so it's a week later. I drove this car all week and I just got done washing it. So this is after a week with the wipe on clear and its first bath. You can see how shiny it still is. Like, I am really happy with how it dried. Really happy with how it looks. You can see some streaks in the hood if you look close. I don't know if it'll come across on the camera or not. But overall, for what this car is, I'm really happy with it. Made the rust look really cool. And when I wash it, my wash mitt doesn't get caught on all the rust anymore because it's got a nice protective layer over it. So yeah, I'd do it again.